So this is a little app I wrote called Odds and Evens Online. Some of my friends compare it to chess and some of them compare it to Go. But either way, I think when you play it, you're going to have hours and hours of frustrating fun. The game is an online two-player game, and it's really based on luck and strategy. It's played on a board of 14 by 14 squares, and each player is designated a color, blue or red. And each player has pieces to play, and the pieces have different values. So each player has 32 one-point pieces, 16 three-point pieces, 8 5-point pieces, 4 7-point pieces, and 2 9-point pieces. And it's actually this combination of pieces and their values that gives the game its name, Odds and Evens. Okay, so when the game starts, you'll see that 12 one-point pieces for each player have already been placed onto the board, and each piece is in its own square. And so blue begins the game first, and the players alternate. And when it's your turn, you can do one of three things. You can either move one of your own pieces, or capture an opponent's piece, or add 2 more of your own pieces to the board. So if you want to move a piece, you just tap on it, and then you tap on the adjacent square, and you'll see the piece will move. If you wish to capture an opponent's piece, you need to make sure that that piece that you wish to capture is surrounded by your own pieces whose total value is more than the piece you wish to capture. So in this example, this red piece is worth 1 point and is surrounded by 2 of my pieces that are totaling 2 points. So it means that that red piece can be captured. So I just tap on it and it's captured. And to confirm, then the score below shows that 1 red piece has been captured. So if I want to use my turn to add 2 pieces to the board, I just tap on the Add 2 Pieces button, and 2 more pieces are automatically randomly placed on the board. But you need to remember that the 2 pieces added are going to be of the lowest value possible. So this means that all the 1-point pieces will be added before any of the 3-point pieces are added, and then the 5s, the 7s, the 9s. And in this example, I added 2 1-point pieces, so the total number of 1-point pieces goes from 12 to 14. So the object of the game is to capture all or as many of your opponent's pieces as possible. And so you increase your score and you reduce your opponent's ability to fight you. So you win the game when you've captured pieces of a total value of 25 points more than your opponent has captured, or if your opponent has pieces on the board plus pieces left to play which total fewer than 10 points, or if your opponent waits more than 72 hours to make a move, or if your opponent resigns. So Odds and Evens is a fairly simple online 2-player game, but it's got a lot of good luck and good strategy, and I think it's going to give you hours of frustrating fun. Hope you enjoy it.